Hello everyone, this is Will. Welcome back. I recently caught a cold a couple of days ago, so I'm not fully recovered. So in the middle of the video, I might cough. Apologize about that. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Samsung S20 Ultra 5G today. I'm not just as I said before in my other videos, I'm not a very professional tech channel. I'm just posting these videos to show you what a normal guy, what a ordinary guy who ordered the stuff from big companies like Apple and Samsung and Dell, and share some experience with you guys. So I ordered the S20 Ultra 5G from Samsung directly because they have a $200 worth of complimentary products to give you. That include the Buds Plus. I choose the black one. And this case, I don't know the name of it, but it's a LED back cover. I believe you guys can search this cover on YouTube. You can tell once you put the cover on the phone, there will be a lot of stars going on the back of the cover. It's pretty cool, but not a lot of people like that. I'm a techie guy. I don't care. And this one is the OTG on the go adapter. It's a USB-A to USB-C. Normally you want to transfer another Android phone's content to the new phone you just ordered. You will be using this. This is completely complimentary. So you can order it, or you can just ignore it. It doesn't matter. It's online. So this worth probably $150. This worth $50, and this phone is worth $1,600, I believe, because I got the 512 gigabyte. Let me see, where is it? Where's the version? The black version. Let me see. It says made in Korea. I don't know where that is, but it's a let's see. Don't know that. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna do the unboxing right now. So the black one, I actually prefer this one. When I was ordering this phone online from Samsung, the gray one is out of stock. Obviously, a lot of people went for that one, but I prefer this one. So lucky me. I thought the gray one is okay, but it's kind of a, it's easy to get tired of that kind of color if you know what I mean. But yeah, I like the black phone. So here it is. Let me put these aside first. And open this here. I'm recording this video with my iPhone 11 Pro Max with the ultra wide angle camera. Okay, so obviously I ordered the unlocked one. If you order it for T-Mobile or AT&T, then you probably got T-Mobile and AT&T here, but this is an unlocked one. Okay, it's pretty loose. Okay, this is the phone right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. So this is the a cover, something, I don't know what that is, but put that aside. And this charger would be 25 watts USB-C charger for the Android phone. I think it's a generic one. You can charge with any other Android phone with this charger. And just for information, a lot of YouTuber has already posted the information about this charger. The difference between this charger and the 45 watts charger. There's basically no difference. The 45 watts charger just give you a little bit faster boost at the very beginning when you charge your phone from 0 to 100% battery. So these would be, I don't know what that is. Obviously, I'm gonna put that back. Unlike other YouTubers who just file it up and throw it away, I'm be very careful about my accessories. So this will be the cable. I'm not gonna put it out. I'm just gonna put it back. So that'll be the AKG earbuds, but it's wired earbuds. It's not like this one. This one worth $150. The Buds Plus. I'll be opening that soon, very soon. And that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Wait, where's the SIM tool? That's weird. Okay, it might be here. There's no SIM tool? That's very strange. Wow. That might only come with the, the AT&T or T-Mobile version. It does not come with the unlock version. Wow, what a disappointment. Or maybe it's here? No, I don't even have the pamphlets. For crying out loud. Oh, it's here. Sorry. Okay, it's here. I thought it's a discrimination or something. No, I was wrong. Okay, I'll put this back. Sorry about the drama. I'm a little bit of drama queen anyway. So yeah, this is a SIM tool. It's a SIM card ejection tool, and there will be some other, files over there. I'm not gonna open it. It's pretty complicated. I'm not gonna do it with one hand. And also, it does not come with the with the clear case. Obviously, if you buy this from China, then probably you can get the dual SIM and also the what's that called? The clear case. But here it's the United States. Well, people are cheap here. Okay, so this is the phone. Actually, I'm not gonna peel this off already now because I will be transferring data from the other phone, iPhone XS here. I'll be waiting for that, and then we'll transfer data to this phone. But first, let's just see what is going on with this phone. Let me turn it on. Oh, it says Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, secured by Knox, powered by Android. This is a long time I used Android phone. I believe that it would be 3 years ago. Yeah. Back then I was using Samsung S8.
Let's get started.
Oh, let's get started.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay, I think that's just a rigmarole you guys have been through a million times. I would not be showing this setting procedure, process during this video. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry. I'm gonna open this for you guys. But first, let's see what is going on with this OTG adapter. Oh, it's a small one. Oh, we've been seeing that. Boring. Okay, this cover is like this. I would not be opening this right now because I have, I can't do that right now. About this one, I believe I can. Oh, maybe I can't. Oh, Jesus. Okay, one to go. The other. One, two. Okay, it's there. Oh, it's through. Jeez. Okay, yeah, I can open it with one hand. Okay, there's some file over here, Samsung. Not interested. I think this is the replacement for the silicone air buds, and maybe let me see. Yes, and the charging wire, I believe. Yeah, better be USB-C. That's right, replacement. And this will be buds. Whoa, it's heavy. It's really heavy. Let me just open it for you guys. Oh no, I messed it up. But you know what? Hey, who cares? It's just some money, right? As long as you have money, then you have everything. Well, that's a little bit negative, but it's half truth. Okay, it's like this. Pretty cool. Let's see, yeah, it's like this. It's light. It's almost like the what is this called? AirPods, yes. About the same size, I think. Maybe it's a little bit smaller, but it's heavy. It's as heavy as AirPods. And it's black. Yeah, on the light, tell you this is a left, and this is a right. Okay, just like those contacts those girls wear. Okay. Okay. Feels good in the hand. Okay. That's that, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you guys next video. Bye.